Buongiorno from our home in Sicily. We're going to go to downtown Catania and probably one of the most dynamic rock concerts I've ever seen, and it was a tribute to pop stars, some of my favorite artists. I was sitting in my chair just dancing. But first, we're going to show you our front yard, and then later, what are we doing?
Hey, listen, this is a jam-packed show today, okay? So make sure you have your coffee with your You, Me, and Sicily mug, and have on your You, Me, and Sicily t-shirt, and if you have the You, Me, and Sicily hat, then she is going to show you these two characters that she was on a radio program in Acireale. There was a...
All in Italian.
Yeah, you'll have to see it, and believe me, if you don't know Italian, you don't have to know Italian for these two guys, number one. And then an outdoor market. The spring is springing, as you could tell. It's 70 degrees here today, 65, 68 degrees here today. And she came back, she was, as Massimo would say, shocked by all the stuff that they had at this market. So we have a great show for you today.
All right, so let's start out with what's in our front yard. I love when these visitors come, and then take a peek at Mount Etna.
Baba Black Sheep. You know, when these guys are here, it's time for the ricotta.
You know, Lester, what they're doing is really a public service. They're cutting the grass. They're eating the weeds. This prevents fires up here, and believe me, we know the fire came all the way up to the fence last year, so we're happy that these guys are. And look at these beautiful sheepdogs.
Okay. Listen to the sounds of dogs and sheep. So cute. He's looking right at me. Behold Mama Etna. April 12th. Wow. Still smoking, still some snow, but ever beautiful. I'm doing my Pilates today, and I wanted to take you to see this glorious view. Pretty soon I'll be hitting some golf balls up there as well. But for now, just enjoy this view.
There's something so quintessential Sicily to see the sheep here in the front yard. We also saw them on the road, a true Sicilian traffic jam.
Oh my gosh. Sicilian traffic jam right here.
So it's a great sight. You know, we are here in rural Catania, outside of the city, and so it's really nice to see something like this. All right.
Wait a minute. It's
me.
really good for the environment. Number one, they're eating up every day all the stuff that burns in the fires in about 9 weeks. That's number one. And then they do little boop-boop-be-doops that fertilizes everything too. And then finally, you eat them.
Well,
I eat
the
them.
ricotta. The ricotta.
The ricotta too.
Anyway. Listen, I want to tell you, this concert, I went with my friend Vanessa. Her mom was actually in the chorus. It's over 100 singers from all over Sicily. They came together for this concert, and some of my favorites were playing there, including Pink Floyd, Madonna, Stevie Wonder, Elton John, Aretha Franklin, Michael Jackson. It was literally like one song after another. I'm like, oh my God, I love this song. And I have to tell you, their accents, their English accents, was spot on. I was very pleasantly surprised. So, and people around me, I was looking around, and everyone was moving and grooving in their seats. Let me know if you recognize any of the songs, if these are some of your favorites, because it's certainly my generation that grew up with this.
Well, you
Led
know,
Zeppelin too.
You know, American pop culture is really imbibed here in Sicily.
Very much.
Unfortunately, so are the New York Yankees. everybody has a Yankee hat on. Nobody has a Red Sox hat on.
Funniest
Bizarre.
thing.
What?
But you're absolutely right. Even on the radio, that they play a lot of those songs.
Yeah, they
And,
play
you know,
great
Vanessa and I
music.
spoke about this. These were the songs we grew up in. When we first had the cassettes, remember the cassettes, the Walkman, and all that. All of these songs I loved listening
Esther,
to. So
I remember
it was great.
I remember this music when we were on 33 and the third record, vinyl. But you forgot to mention one very important
Tell me.
star of the whole show. And if you look real close, way in the back, she's standing up at the end, Vanessa's mother. Okay?
She was
Vanessa's mother was moving and grooving to the tune.
some of the best singers. She's actually part of a gospel choir, and some of the best choirs gathered over here.
Here are all the other performances. There's a lot, and this is ours. Michael Jackson, Queen, Pink Floyd, Madonna, Stevie Wonder, Elton John, and many more.
All right, now let's move to Acireale, where a few weeks ago I had the pleasure of being invited onto a radio show called Etna Cafe with these two characters. When I say characters, believe me, I'm cut out some of the things because they were just hilarious. But I went there to talk about Yumi in Sicily and also about our fundraising for the post-Harry destruction where we helped people. And they were just so amazed and so grateful that these two Americans are helping Sicilians. So we had a short little talk. I'll give you a little bit of a preview. And by the way, that radio station is one of the oldest radio stations in all of Sicily. And for me, as a journalist who started out in radio, it was just a cool experience. All right, let's go.
Siamo fuori onda, Fuori onda. The winner takes it all. Degli ABBA, i tuoi preferiti,
I love ABBA. Here we go at Etna Cafe.
Si chiama You, Me and Sicily.
Bravo!
È questo canale YouTube che ti permette di fare questa comunicazione tra l'America e la Sicilia.
America, Canada, tutto il mondo.
Tutto il mondo.
Certo. Abbiamo quasi 500 video da tutti Sicilia. Tutti.
Ma che bello.
Festa, cibo, storia, anche questo che è successo con cicloni
Harry.
le scemi.
Ma ne vogliamo parlare, cara Esther? Che ha già raccolto circa 38.000 euro. Amici, 38.000 euro che sono stati già distribuiti, alcuni?
Acireale,
sì.
Acetrezza, Stazzo, Santa Tecla, Lettoiani, certamente gli scemi, qualche paese,
Sì.
tutti che
Bellissima
bisogno
iniziativa.
aiuta, anche Ognina,
Ognina, sì.
è distrutto.
E gli americani, solo in America sono stati raccolti questi soldi?
No, tutto il mondo,
Tutto il mondo.
12 paesi.
12 paesi.
12
Che
paesi.
hanno contribuito con offerte.
Principalmente americani.
Stati Uniti, sì.
Sì, perché loro sono nostri clienti, amici. Noi siamo anche tour operator.
Tour operator, sì.
Venerdì 12 agosto 2016 was 40 years. How incredible. They're going to be celebrating 50. And this is the view. There's even San Sebastian. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Full with soccer and religion. 30 anni che vuoi. 30 years that they've been. E tu sei qua quanti anni?
Io 50 anni. 50 anni di radio.
Quando ho iniziato? Quando sei 10?
50 anni
Lui
di radio.
10 anni di differenza, carriera radiofonica,
Sì.
50 anni lui, 40 io.
Wow.
Di radio.
Di radio.
Complimenti,
di radio.
siete
Viva la
molto.
radio, viva.
Viva la
Viva la
radio.
radio.
These are the TV cameras that I started out with. And look at this. The typewriter, all these ancient things. And this. Ooh, look at that. Io mi ricordo when I first started in radio, this is what we had. I want to say thank you so much to the hosts. They're going to be on again on this show because I've invited them on, but it's great to see that radio is well and alive because do you know I heard that they're going to start making cars without radio? What a sin. Radio is the way to go.
Radio, it will always be the way to go.
Not just
nationally.
entertainment, but important for information, right?
I was talking to my daughter, and she was complaining about how much the cable cost. You know, with the cable bundles, so to speak. They're paying almost $200 a month. What are they, nuts? Paying? You know how much we pay for our internet here, and our internet, and which is fiber now, and our computer lines and stuff, and our telephone, €38 a month. That's about $42 a month. $42, and it's 5G. $42 here, $200 in the United States.
All right, let's go to the open market in Catania. We've shown you markets before, but this was truly one of the biggest ones. It went on and on and on. And I'm just going to show you a little bit about what local products and produce are available in mid-April. Mid-April, and it's high 70s. But of course, here in Sicily, they wear their jackets and scarves until it's probably around May.
Dove mi pubblichi?
Ciao!
A Turupaione picchio umano. Non facciamo discriminazione, magari da picchio faione.
Don't discriminate. He's cute too. This is where everyday Sicilians come to shop. And today they're putting up a show for us. €20 artichokes, €5. Mamma mia. These are the same guys that go all over this area and set up shop at these markets that happen once a week.
Ragazzi, buongiorno, come va? Come sono? Ciao.
Questa è 50, come chiama questa?
Bietola selvatica.
Bietola selvatica, questa
Poi, se vuoi, puoi
Lattuga.
seguirci su Instagram.
green cauliflower. Now we're used to the purple cauliflower and the white cauliflower. Green cauliflower is a little bit harder to come by.
No, 5 euro totale. 2 euro? Sì. Signora, se non l'altro moneta, mi chiamano.
This is how everyday Sicilians eat. Nuts, beans, fruits, vegetables, olives, honey, figs. Good for the body, good for the soul. Specialità dell'Etna. Specialty of Etna. And now we're entering the clothing department, where the price is definitely just right.
Tutto a metà prezzo, roba genuina.
This market is once a week here on Wednesday. The one by us is on Monday. Ooh, already some summer shoes. Goes on, and it could be that it's a beautiful day. First time in a few weeks that the temperatures are high 60s. The evening it still gets a little cooler. Here's a World War memorial. This is the face of everyday Sicilians. You need anything, literally anything, you can come here. And I mean anything. Wednesday in Acireale. Life in Sicily. Amazing, warms my heart. Love this. I love listening to the dialect, to the people trying to sell you something.
Certo, già c'è resa io subito.
Just listen to the local dialect.
You know, we talk about the Sicilian Project all the time and they help, and it's not just me and it's not just Esther. We have a whole group behind us, all right? A lot of people in the United States. We have a great board of directors, a great president, and people on the ground here, including Rosario Faraci and all of her guides who are able to spot and identify places of need, okay? Of course, our classes, all right, which are ongoing. So I'll be in Lawrence, Massachusetts for 2 weeks in that area over there, helping to raise money for the Sicilian Project. And on Thursday night, 23rd of April, from 5:30 to 8:30 at Salvatore's Restaurant, which is located in the Riverwalk, right off the Route 495. We're having a fundraiser for our language classes, our English language classes. It's going to be hosted by former Red Sox Hall of Famer Rico Petrocelli, my brother Tom Zappala, he's a character. He's like the guy in the radio program, and myself. And great food provided by Sal's. The admission to get in is $35 per person, which basically covers the cost of the meal, okay? There'll be a few things for sale there, including my books, which for those of you who have purchased my books and want them autographed, bring them with you. And my two daughters, Katie will be there, who we talk about all the time, and Jen will be there, Jennifer will be there, and a lot of the characters that frequently comment on these videos will be there. So if you want, and it's tax deductible, so if you want to come and have a good time, we could use it. Please buy your tickets early if possible. Just go to www.sicilianproject.com, and right in front of you it'll say donate to the meet and greet, donate to our English language classes, donate to an emergency relief fund that we're keeping going. So just click the one that says go to the meet and greet and get your tickets, okay? We really appreciate it.
Did really, really well. 4 artichokes, €1. A few lettuces, radish, and a basil plant, all for €5. €5. Great square. We actually did a video from here a few years ago where we went inside the church over there, the Cathedral of Acireale, and talked to the priest about the Madonna della Catena, Mary of the Chains. Now you saw Al's hat, his shirt, his mug. You mean Sicily? We also have this style in our shop, Spreadshirt shop.
In all colors.
If you click down below, it says shop. You can go there, or if you go to spreadshirt.com and put my name, the shop is right there. But what's really exciting is that we have a brand new logo. One of them is Al, his hat, and his cigar, and it says Bedu on the bottom. Then there's one of me with a sun hat and sunglasses, and it says Sicilian Queen. And then one of Alfred and I that says You, Me, and Sicily. We've got aprons, we've got mugs, we've got tumblers, we've got even stuff for your dog, hats and t-shirts and all that. So it's a really fun new product, and I hope that you enjoy it, and that is located in our shop. Now I want to just say something about all these things that you saw on the show. Really is a pleasure to, and really fulfilling for me to go to these concerts, go to these markets, be invited to this radio show, because that's what life in Sicily is like for us. So you're getting a little bit of a glimpse into our lives.
As a matter of fact, Esther, I will be on your program this coming Friday. What's the name of Michael on?
The Sicilian Corner.
I'll be on the Sicilian Corner podcast this week, which we put it both on You, Me, and Sicily, and my personal Facebook and Esther's personal Facebook. So that'll be a ride, being with Lou Blassi and Michael Mazzo, who I've known for 150 years.
Hey, that's where it all started. For those of you who don't know, the Sicilian Corner is where it all started 12 years ago when Alfred came in. I interviewed him with Michael Mazzo, and the rest, as they say, is history.
What can I say? It's been 12 years. Help me! No, I'm only kidding.
Thank you so much for watching.
Sabenediga.
Ching ching, honey.
I love you, sweetie. God bless you.